We are about to turn this room into this.
Well, this is this weekend's project. My wife has already gone ahead and ripped up all the carpet without recording that. That's a sin of YouTube proportions. And then they started building the cabinets that are going to be the wall, or that are going to be basically covering the entire wall. Let's show you what we got real quick. This is just supplies. So we've already loaded up supplies, some of them. See what else we need. This couch has to move. So this used to just be a sitting room with a TV. And obviously it was built, I guess, that way, but I think they kept in mind the fact that it could be, I think in some of these house configurations, this is actually a bedroom. So it does have a closet, so this will be an official bedroom. But what we're gonna do is run the wall out here, basically extend the hallway. It's gonna come to here and it's gonna turn and we're gonna have a bedroom. So this will be a little wall. We're gonna put the door here so that when you come to the top of the stairs, you can walk in. Then this will be a large bedroom, and Colin and his wife will actually have a bigger room than an old beat up, well, they live in an office right now.
Very nice.
So we'll set some time lapse up. We'll build some walls. We'll get that structure up real quick. We're gonna panel it. So instead of doing drywall, we like the look of this kind of beadboard. That's gonna be outside. This will be inside, but behind the whole thing. And I'll show you a rendering. I did an AI rendering. This will be behind all of the other stuff on the interior of the wall. So you won't actually see half of this. And then we got insulation out in the car to kind of soundproof it because it is echoey. But in case you're wondering, it does have HVAC already in here. And that HVAC, it's got HVAC in the hallway. So we're good with HVAC. We might tap into a little outlet here, and we just need one or two outlets along the wall. But that's it. So yeah, we're adding one outlet at the bottom for LED light strip, and then we're gonna add another outlet for a lighted vanity and the hair care products for the high maintenance one over here. So. Well, progress. That didn't take very long. It's only not even noon yet. So it's kind of coming together. Wall, door. I think we'll put the outside pieces up first. Leave the inside so we can do the wiring, get right to that. And work on the inside. See how far we get done today. Then we do have floor, so I'm hoping to get this floor done by tomorrow night. We'll see. Well, here's the layout. We did get the paneling up. I'll show you the outside of that. So here are our outlets. This drawing, we ordered a 24 by 36 lighted mirror. And that mirror is going to require a recessed outlet. We got a recessed outlet there. Two more outlets. That one's at standard height. This one, these two markings are where there's going to be basically a table for looking in the mirror. So that's going to go or a shelf. So the shelf will be there. So this will be on top of the shelf to use hair care products, that type of thing. And then this one's at the standard 12-inch height. This one, the bigger, we were gonna put it down lower, but because this would be open down here, that one, what we wanna do is light the bottom of the cabinets with some LEDs. But we got the whole wall now. Looks good. And then this one over here is not up yet, because this is where I need to look. I think I might be able to look at the wiring here and find where we're going, and then get over and do some stuff. So let's figure that out here in a minute. We could probably wire the rest of this, and he'll put we're gonna put insulation in to quiet it down. But that's where we're at right now. Well, this is the midpoint. Got the outlets in there. Those will be set back with all the cabinets.
Which one's heavier? This one. Yeah. But
So it's quiet in here. It's still echoey, but looking good. I don't know if we'll finish painting that, or that'll have a whole board with a cabinet shelving unit. And then we'll see how much. I've got some trim that we can put in the corner, but otherwise it looks good. We have a door. It was only a little bit of a pain to hang, but got it. Need to get a handle for it. That'll be tomorrow. It looks good out here too. So, caulk on that little line. Turn that light on down there to make this thing less dark, but we're looking good. It's been one day, so if you don't use drywall, you don't have to tape and mud it. And this will look really cool behind the cabinets. Next day, we're ready to start. Again, my wife didn't turn on the camera. I started cleaning up, so we're gonna get the rest of the cleanup done. The door's in, that trim is not in all the way yet. Once we get the floor in, needs a little bit of a gap filler. But let's cut right to time lapse of cleanup and the floor. And by the time I come back, this floor will be done. So far it's looking good. These are a little bit of a pain because the measurements that these come with, we got them from Lowe's. There's a metal bracket in the back. That metal bracket, it says like no less than 39 3/4. So at 40, it needs to be like 40 and a half. So we need to cut down the legs a little, but it worked out. So we're good. And now we just got to go buy all the verticals and horizontals. So just go get the shelving pieces, and then we'll put it together. And the ones in our master closet, I made a little template here and used dowels, so we should be able to do that as well, because these dowels are too far in. And then we'll have a really big shelf unit, a couple of shelves across here like in the photo. Obviously this is a little wider, but it looks good. I think it's going to come together just as good as that AI picture. It's noon on day 3, and we're basically done. They're already putting clothes up, getting ready to move a bed and stuff in here. The only thing we're still waiting on, we'll have in 2 days, is the lighted mirror that goes there. That's why that inserted plug is there. Put some very crude shelves in the closet, but man, that looks good. Looks just exactly like the AI image, exactly. Except the wall color was the old color of the room. But I think it looks awesome. We got, we'll figure out something with some LEDs underneath. So that plug down there will go to some, will light up the whole bottom down there. Maybe go up and around, whatever. But we won't show that in this video. We will just show the mirror. We probably already saw that in the intro. That's it, so looks good.
This is like $500. Get rich. Like me.
So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Catch you on the next one. I'm about to turn.
Wait, start over.
You keep recording, I'll delete it.
Say we.
Yeah, run at him.
Me or I?
And push him.
Like as soon as I start talking, you push me out of the way. No, say I. I am about to turn. As soon as I say I, like, come on, push me out of the way.
Okay.
I am about to.
We. I didn't push it out.
You have to. Otherwise, I'm not going out of the way.
Is that good?
No, she didn't say anything.
I
Oh.
said we.
Said we.
Were you supposed to say we are about to turn this room?
Okay.
We are about to turn this. When he says I,
I got so
I.
happy with the push. Don't worry.
It's fine. Yeah, I gotta go all the way out of the way. So, all right. I.
Yeah, no.
Take 5. Say it one more time, please.
You know what to say, right?
Yeah.
I am about to
We are about to
turn this room.
turn this room. Just crop that out.
I wish I have enough.